Yugas and Vishnu avatars. How Dharma declines in 4 ages. Poetic wisdom of time. Dive into the sacred cycle of time, the Yugas, and witness how the divine Vishnu avatars align with the 4 legs of Dharma. This poetic journey reveals how truth, purity, compassion, and austerity gradually vanish from Satya to Kali Yuga, and how Lord Vishnu descends in each age to restore balance. Introduction to the cycle of Yugas. Welcome, seekers of truth. In Hindu cosmology, time moves in great cycles known as Yugas, Satya, Treta, Dvapara, and Kali. Each yuga represents a gradual decline in righteousness, or Dharma, which is symbolized as a bull standing on 4 legs. As each yuga passes, 1 leg of Dharma is lost. But in each age, Lord Vishnu takes a divine form, an avatar, to restore balance. What are the 4 legs of Dharma? Dharma stands on 4 sacred pillars: Satya, truth; Tapas, austerity and spiritual discipline; Shacham, purity of body and mind; Daya, dana, compassion and charity. In Satya Yuga, all 4 thrive. But as we descend through the Yugas, each pillar falls, one by one. Satya Yuga. 4 pillars of Dharma, 4 avatars. In the golden age of Satya Yuga, Dharma stands strong on all 4 legs. Everything is pure, truthful, and divine. In this era, Vishnu manifests in 4 primal forms to protect cosmic order. Matsya, the fish, saves the Vedas and Manu from the flood. Kurma, the tortoise, supports the churning of the ocean. Varaha, the boar, lifts earth from the cosmic ocean. Narasimha, half man, half lion, destroys ego and injustice. These are direct, divine emergences, not born like humans. Treta Yuga. 3 pillars of Dharma, 3 avatars. In Treta Yuga, only 3 legs of Dharma remain. Purity begins to fade. The world is less ideal, but still sacred. 3 human-like avatars of Vishnu appear. Vamana, the dwarf Brahmin who humbles King Bali with wisdom. Parashurama, the warrior sage who destroys corrupt Kshatriyas. Rama, the ideal king who lives by Dharma, even in suffering. These avatars are born through wombs, blending divinity with humanity. Dvapara Yuga. 2 pillars of Dharma, 2 avatars. In Dvapara Yuga, only 2 pillars remain: truth and austerity. Corruption and conflict rise. War becomes common. Vishnu appears in 2 powerful forms: Krishna, the cosmic strategist, guide of Arjuna, master of Dharma. Balarama or Buddha, depending on tradition, as a force of balance or non-violence. These avatars play in human drama, revealing divine truths through earthly acts. Kali Yuga. 1 pillar of Dharma, awaiting Kalki. Now we are in Kali Yuga, the dark age. Only Satya, truth, remains, and even that is fading fast. When truth finally disappears, Kalki, the 10th avatar, will arise. He will ride a white horse, wielding a blazing sword, to cleanse the world and restore Dharma, beginning the cycle anew with Satya Yuga. Poetic summary of the Avatar Yuga connection. In Satya stood 4 pillars tall, truth and purity held all. 4 divine forms took the stage, to guard the world in ancient age. In Treta, 1 pillar fell, yet Dharma rang like temple bell. 3 avatars walked the land, with bow, with axe, with guiding hand. In Dvapara, 2 lights did shine, truth and tapas held the line. Krishna danced and Dharma played. As darkness deepened, light delayed. In Kali's age, 1 truth remains, flickering through greed and chains. When that too falls and all seems lost, Kalki shall rise, whatever the cost. Reflection. Is Dharma still alive today? What do you feel? Is Dharma still standing? Which avatar do you resonate with most, the calm Rama, the playful Krishna, or the fierce Narasimha? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let this be more than a video, let it spark spiritual reflection. Subscribe and share to keep the wisdom alive. If this poetic journey touched your heart, like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with more Vedic wisdom and spiritual insights. Share this with friends and seekers who are walking the path of truth.